Hi there, Mr. Brian here. Welcome to another instructive Gate Academy tutorial. Today we are going to be looking at how to get a free hosting and a free domain name so we can upload our projects and share the link with our friends and families. So without wasting much time, I'll simply like us to head on to google.com, and then you type in the search bar 000 webhost.com. Once you're there, you're going to see this second link where it says 00webhost.com. You select this one. Yeah, so this is the site where we can get free hosting and free domain name. I'm afraid at this time they only allow for one hosting account and one free domain name per account. So if you need multiple domain names and if you need multiple hosting, you would have to create like multiple accounts on this particular site. And so to get a free hosting and domain, all you need to do is to come over to these plans where you see the free web hosting plans. You can see all that comes with the plans. You see one website, 300 MB disk space, limited bandwidth of 3 GB, no email account, and 24/7 support. And so that's enough for projects that you just want to showcase, projects that you just want to let your friends see and maybe get some few reviews. And so we're going to click on free sign up. Once we're here, you simply sign up with your Gmail account or any other email account that you have. I'm going to okay, I'll sign up with let me sign up with Google. I'll just select my account. Waiting for that to log in. Okay. It says hi there, hey there, is here with master, and my first me is okay. Welcome to Zero Web Hosting Sandbox. Let's get you started, and it will take a few minutes only. Just click on it's not my first rodeo. Take me to the panel. Once you click on that, they're going to ask you for the website name. So I'm going to put this one like first WordPress site, like that. And the password, I'm just going to put something anonymous. User. Okay, and then I'm going to click on submit. It says another website with this name already exists, so I'm going to put 1 2 3 4 at the end of the name, and I'll click on submit. So mind you, whatever name you put here is going to be the name of your website, and it's also going to appear in the domain in the URL structure as well. So you want to get maybe some nice name, something related to your project. This is just for tutorial purposes. And once that page is done, it shows you choose your weapon of mass creation. It says use builder, website builder. No, we don't want to do that. Upload your website. We cannot upload our website because the disk space that is being allocated to us is very, very small. And so we are going to choose the install WordPress and choose a username and password. For the password, I'm just going to put this so I can easily sign in. And now I have to wait. Right now WordPress is installing. Let's just give it a few minutes. So this is a very, very great way to start for those who are learning web development and would like to show their friends and families some of the work that they are doing. And you can simply come over to this website, create an account, start a WordPress project, and get a domain name and a free hosting for the particular project you're working on. And then you get that link, you can share it to Facebook, to your friends, to your family, just for review. And so I really encourage everyone to start looking towards that direction. And one of the reasons why one would need a free hosting account is because at the beginning not everybody always has like some money to invest in getting a hosting and a domain name account, a hosting account and a domain name. And so it's always good to check out the free options before you head on into investing. At least with this one, you're going to see some of the limitations that it may have. So when you're investing into something real, you'll be able to actually get a specific need of what you want. So congratulations, WordPress is ready. What we need to do now is to click on go to the configuration page. Once you click on go to the configuration page, it's going to bring you to the WordPress dashboard login, the site login for your website. And so you can simply just put the password and username and password we had set for WordPress login. I think I just forgot the one I put. I'll try again. And now we are logged into our WordPress dashboard. So right now this site is currently live, and if I were to send this link to anyone, this particular link to anyone, they'll be able to visit the site and see the website. So I just want to make like one change to it before we end the tutorial. I'll go to themes. I want to change the theme and put like the 2020 WordPress theme. So I'll activate the 2020 WordPress theme over there. Then I'll go back again, and you can see it has changed to the 2020 WordPress theme. And so you can go ahead and start developing your website, building your projects, do all that you need to do. And if you have to send the link to someone for review, just simply copy the link and then you share it with that person. So that's how you get a simple web hosting and domain name for free. Do make sure that you try to test this to make sure that this really works for you as well, and let me know your thoughts on how it goes. It has been me, Sorry Brian, here for Gate Academy Africa, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and bye bye.